going on our YouTube? I've seen the recent video here of my amigo, my Isuzu Tamiya CC01 lowrider original truck. If you still looked on my Instagram, you've seen I put these tires and wheels on almost everything I have just to see what they look like. It's not very common to have a set of 2.2s that are with on-road tires. So I wanted to get another set. I was thinking about maybe using them for a rat rod. Tamiya does remake the low rider setup, the low ride package that you buy. It's very reasonably priced. I got these two sets for $36 and change each, free shipping. So let's open it up here and take a look. This does include the tires and wheels, and I believe just the springs. I'm not sure if it has the rod ends and the whole shock, or it's just the springs. So these are new from Tamiya. They are re-released. They had these back in the 90s as well. And yeah, so let's open it up here and take a look, see what it actually comes with. Alright, so nice vintage looking Tamiya packaging. What does it say? About the kit. Lowers the off-road CC01 chassis by 16 millimeters, giving enhanced stability, and optimizes the chassis for on-road use. Not only that, but the lowered form of the CC01 will be an eye-catching ride. The kit includes 73 millimeter diameter low-profile tires with inner sponges, plus stylish chrome-plated dish wheels, and short white damper springs. So they're white. The ones on my vintage one are red, so they may not be original. So here's our brand new 2.2 wheels. We've got a little instruction book. We've got tire foams. And we've got the big meaty tires. Alright, so here's what you get. So it comes with a pinion gear, springs, and oil. It looks like it's got some little metal rod ends for the end of your, or not rod ends, but metal inserts for your shock ends. I guess to probably tighten up some of the slack in there. Tires look fantastic. I mean, for 36 bucks, where can you get a set of 2.2s, even plastic, for 36 bucks? And this we got tires, foams, some stuff I don't really need, but pinion gears are always good to have. So looking at the instructions here, it tells you how to install the pinion gear and adjust the motor within the factory mount. The shock, oh okay, the metal spacer goes inside of the shock to shorten the dampening, or shorten the length of it. So that's what it is. So it's just you're shortening the stock shocks, adding new fluid, and putting new springs on it. And then it just shows you how to glue your tires and wheels. Not bad for 36 bucks. So I'm going to clear some of this off. I'm going to start putting the tires and wheels together and show you kind of what I'm thinking for using them for other things. Alright guys, so this is kind of what I was thinking. These wheels, the chrome on them is a lot different than the original ones. Not sure if you can see that. It's not nearly as shiny. Those almost have a, I don't know, it's different. It looks more old school. This looks more cheap plated plastic. Which, you know, the technology's changed, even though it's the same casting and the same parts. But I don't know. I'm looking at doing a build like this maybe in the future. I thought these wide treaded tires would look pretty sharp. All around, all even. Something a little different. Maybe more of a track style rat rod. I don't know. You know, if I just had a whole bunch more of those RC 4-wheel drive V8s to build, that would be awesome. But yeah, let me do another mock-up with a different body. Maybe more something like this. These bodies are from Nightcrawler's 3D. This one was kind of just scrap. He sent it to me to mess with. He does 3D print that body, but this is a resin cast. And it didn't come out perfect. It's got some issues around the visor and had some weird marks and stuff around the bottom edge. So I trimmed, oh, I don't remember, maybe 3/4 of an inch off the bottom of the body. Kind of sectioned it, made it even lower. And I think that's why I like it so much with these shorter, wider tires, because it still looks the part on here. On the other body, which is 3D printed, they look a little small in the back. But I don't know. And again, that grill shell is from Awesome Designs. You can find that up for sale on his Shapeways store. All his items are very reasonably priced on there, and you get good quality prints through Shapeways. And Nightcrawler's 3D, you know, he's sponsoring my ramp truck build. We've been working on rat rod stuff for I think about 2 years now. He's been a good friend, and we worked in design. He does the design. I just make the changes. I just say, no, that didn't look good. No, chop it more, chop it more. But he's been a real good guy to work with, and check out his Instagram and stuff. See what he's working on. But yeah, I've been looking at using this body for a while. It's got about 20 different paint jobs on it, so the patina is kind of real. It's got real rust mixed with fake rust, mixed with layered paint, sanded through. So it's got a lot of stuff done to it, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. This video is about Tamiya parts. I think that's a deal. If you have a CC01, maybe pick up one of those kits, do something different with it. I know you might have one laying around from when you were a kid. Dig it out and bring it back to life. But anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Follow along on Instagram, Facebook, RC Everyday. Keep it scale. I'll see you on the next video.